Hello dear and lovely friends, welcome back to this channel. I want to show you some of the things I've been busy with lately, and they were things I needed to finish before I go on holidays. Some I was able to film, such as the maxi skirts and the necklace. I will try to edit and upload them. And also, I am not forgetting some of your requests. Please bear with me. I will upload them as well. And if you are new to this channel and you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. Just to say something about this wig, I used the excess from the lace closure to create another closure for this other synthetic hair. This hair is an old hair and my girlfriend have used it over and over again, and it is a very good hair for a synthetic hair. So I can recommend this. I will see if I have anyone in store, and I will show you the packet next time because I'm going to be creating another wig with this same synthetic hair. So that is it for now, and remember that you are amazing. I love you and see you in my next tutorial. Bye.